Let's make bok choy shrimp and quinoa. Start with a cup of quinoa, add 2 cups of water. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of xanthan gum. When you add xanthan gum, stir it like crazy. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of chicken broth. The xanthan gum got clumpy, so I grabbed my beaters and beat it into submission. I'm going to use about 12 shrimp. You're going to want to peel and devein your shrimp. Cut the ends off the bok choy, rinse your bok choy, and then heat up a skillet with oil. You're going to cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side. Once they're done, put them on a plate to the side. Next, you're going to cook your vegetables. Start with 3 to 5 cloves of garlic. Measure with your heart. Use fresh ginger if you have it. I only had dried ginger. Once that is nice and fragrant, add your chopped up bok choy. You're going to saute that for about 5 minutes and then add your shrimp back to the pan. This is my very sticky teriyaki sauce going in. Saute that around, get the sauce a little bit melty. And then you're going to want to add your quinoa to a bowl. Top it with your shrimp and bok choy mixture. Next time I probably won't use xanthan gum, but anyway, this is what it looks like. Healthy and delicious. Please like and follow for more.